I want to share with you one tool that's actually indispensable. We use this tool all day, every day, and frankly, none of this would be possible without this one tool. It's the sander. They actually call it a polisher. To my money, DeWalt makes the best one. It's lightweight, durable. We beat the hell out of these things. Sanding is so much of what we do. So when we get the slabs off of the mill, they look like this. And there's nothing more demoralizing than when you have a little random orbital and you're just standing there for hours in the same spot and nothing's happening. That is definitely not the case with this sander. In fact, we've actually built the whole shop sort of on the basis of these. Here where we're at, there's always a consistent wind from the leeward side. So all of our sanding tables are here toward the front of the shop, so all the dust goes that way. So as you can see, we have a monkey pod slab. Just came off the Lucas mill, so you can see it leaves pretty significant saw blade marks. But watch, we put some 80 grit on this thing. So that's just what you get in about 30 seconds. So honestly, this whole slab, we can have this sanded down to 220, about 20 minutes.